Hello YouTube! Today I wanted to share with you my experience on this Activewear Laundry Detergent. This product is designed specifically for workout and sweat heavy clothes. The company sent this to me and a couple of other products for free in exchange for an honest review. Actually, I'm already using Active Washing Machine Cleaner and Active Dishwasher Cleaner for about a year now, and what I can say is I'm happy with their performance. So I might as well try their other products, especially if they're giving it to me for free. And the company also gave me a 10% coupon code that I can share with you. Just copy the code in the description and use it when you check out any Active products on Amazon. The code is good for up to the end of 2024. I've been using Active since 2023 and I noticed that it's gaining popularity in Amazon because they only use natural concentrated ingredients. This package is very small, but it can actually handle up to 90 load of laundry. The package feels compact and it's heavy since it has no fillers or added perfumes. Made in the USA, this detergent is plant-based and specially formulated to clean gym clothes. It's also SLS, phosphate, and gluten-free. It comes in a resealable bag, and inside you will find a very small scoop. The detergent itself has no added odors or strong fragrances, just a light, natural scent. I actually used this over the weekend, and what I can say is that the clothes feels clean and it doesn't have any fragrance, so it's just a clean clothes, no added scent. So it feels a little weird to me because I'm used to having a strong detergent scent after I pull the clothes out of the laundry. Because it is so concentrated, you only need a small scoop for small to medium load and 2 for larger load. I love how natural and effective it is, the small scoop size, and the fact that it doesn't have any fake scents. Overall, it is a fantastic product. I hope that this information helps with your buying decision, and thank you for watching.